So the question is, how can you pass the automated pre-filtering stage and make your resume seen by the recruiter? The answer is simple. You must include robot-friendly keywords. One common mistake most of job applicants do is that they only draft one resume and they use it to apply for all jobs. This strategy is not effective. It might work, but the success rate is very low. You must tailor your resume for each specific job posting. This is a lengthy process, but will dramatically increase your chances of getting a phone interview. Remember, looking for a job is a full-time job. You must have dedication and put in the time and effort to do so. I remember when I was looking for my first job after graduation, I used to wake up every day and work for 10 hours straight. I set a goal to apply for 30 jobs a day, so by the end of the month, you end up with almost 1,000 job applications. That means by the end of the month, you have tailored your resume 1,000 times. The process is lengthy and tedious, but will be totally worth it once you land your dream job. In each job description, you need to scan through the job requirements and make sure you include them in your resume. If you have the listed skill, you must include them on your resume. Don't write any skill that you don't have. Let's take a look at a resume editing example. Let's assume that you found this really good job at Amazon that you're really interested in. The job title is a senior product leader who is responsible for managing a team of product managers. The team is focused on engaging the customer and to support mobile browser experience across platforms, mainly for shopping applications. The position title is senior product manager, who will be expected to lead strategic thinking, innovation, and initiatives that extend across the entire organization. Again, this is a senior level job. I'm just using it for demonstration purposes. And let's assume you have the required education and work experience as highlighted on your resume. The question is, how can you make sure you will pass the pre-filtering automated talent management software stage? Luckily, we have a tool. The tool is called JobScan. So here I'm using the exact same example you can find on jobscan.com. Let's assume that you have your job description and you have your resume. What you do is that you copy and paste both fields and then you can click scan. The tool will provide a summary or a report that indicates whether you included the right keywords, job titles, and education level. The tool will also help you and warn you to avoid using unnecessary general cliché such as team player or results driven. The tool also provides a summary of the hard skills required for the job. Hard skills are skills learned through training, such as software programming skills, for example. The tool summarizes those hard skills and identify whether your resume has it or not. Hard skills such as product management skills, Android, for example, or how to do any type of programming. The tool will also show you whether you met the soft skills or not, such as strategic thinking, innovation, and so on. The tool also show you open positions similar to the job you recently uploaded. Before you apply for any job at a Fortune 100 company, make sure you get at least 70% score, and then you will be on your way to land your first phone interview.